Today we're going to talk about the Let's Roll Lift and Dolly, made in the USA. All right. So this is Certificate of Authenticity. Caster wheels, okay, we got 4 of them. Washers, bolts, nuts, a couple little pieces of the frame here. Tell that's what goes underneath your bike, which is kind of cool. All right, so that is the Dolly. The box I will get rid of. Okay, so we've got now the lift. Box is empty, that's it. Toss it over there. Ah, and I like this because check this out. You can see this also has this real good padding here. Protect your bike and help it stay on a little better.